This is the easiest and tastiest condiment that you can make at home. And it will last forever in the fridge. Please like, subscribe and comment below, so that I can make more of what you want. I grow chili peppers in pots at home. I prefer Thai chilies, but you can use any chili pepper of your choice, even store-bought. Today's harvest. Wash chilies thoroughly in cold running water. Let them dry before the next step. Wear gloves, chop off the top, and cut into 1/4 inch pieces. Pour 2 to 3 cups of rice vinegar into a skillet or saucepan. Add 20 cloves of garlic. I like to roughly chop them, but you can leave them whole. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of freshly cracked pepper. Add 2 tablespoons each of ground coriander and cumin. Turn on the stove to high and bring to a boil. Turn off the stove and add the chili peppers. Let it cool to room temperature. Transfer to sterile jars, close tightly and refrigerate. It will keep forever in the refrigerator. You can add more vinegar on top as it gets used up. It's an excellent topping for many foods, but especially for Asian noodles and fried rice. Please like, subscribe and comment below, so that I can make more of what you want.